Today, I'm going to show you how to transform parent objects in Blender, step by step, in a simple way that you can follow even if you're just getting started. Parenting is one of those Blender features that can save you a ton of time once you understand it, because it lets you control multiple objects together without manually adjusting every single piece. In this video, I'll show you how to parent objects, how parent transformations work, how to clear a parent, and how to move a parent without affecting the child objects when you need more control. If this tutorial helps you, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more Blender tips and tutorials. Let's jump in. First, you want to create or choose the objects you want to work with. In Blender, select the child object first and then hold Shift and click the parent object second. This order matters because Blender uses the last selected object as the active object, and that is the object that will become the parent. Once both objects are selected, press Ctrl+P on your keyboard, and from the menu, choose Object Keep Transform. This is the best option when you want the child to stay exactly where it is without jumping to a new location. What this does is link the objects together so the child follows the parent but keeps its current position, rotation, and scale at the moment you parent it. Now that the objects are connected, try selecting only the parent object in the 3D viewport. Once the parent is selected, press G to move it, R to rotate it, or S to scale it. As soon as you transform the parent, Blender automatically passes those transformations down to the child object. That means the child will move, rotate, or scale along with the parent, which is incredibly useful for rigs, props, mechanical parts, and any object setup where multiple pieces need to stay coordinated. So if you move the base of an object, the attached parts will follow correctly. If you ever want to break that link, you can do that too. Just select the child object, then press Alt+P. This clears the parent relationship and removes the connection between the two objects. After that, the child will no longer follow the parent, which is useful if you want to separate them and work on each object independently again. This is especially helpful if you realize you parented the wrong objects or you simply need to reset the setup. There is also a very useful option if you want to move the parent without affecting the children. To do that, click the Options dropdown in the top right of the 3D viewport, and under the Effect Only section, check the Parents box. When this is enabled, you can reposition the parent while leaving the child objects in place. This is perfect for adjusting a handle, base, pivot setup, or any parent object that needs to be moved independently for cleanup or alignment without disturbing the rest of the hierarchy. So just to quickly recap, select the child first and the parent second. Press Ctrl+P and choose Object Keep Transform, then move, rotate, or scale the parent to affect the child. If needed, use Alt+P to clear the parent and turn on Effect Only Parents when you want to move the parent without moving the children. Once you get comfortable with this workflow, parenting in Blender becomes a very fast and powerful part of your modeling process. If this Blender tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick Blender guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.